Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove all TikTok reposts at once. If you've reposted many videos on TikTok and want to remove them all at once, there's no direct option inside the app. But you can request support from TikTok to help clear your reposts in bulk. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile page. Here, tap on the repost icon, which shows all the videos you have reposted. This helps you confirm how many videos are there before proceeding. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section gives you all the options to manage your account, privacy, and app issues. Now scroll down until you see Report a Problem and tap on it. This is where you can contact TikTok support. Inside the options, tap on Creation since it relates to reposting and video visibility. Then, tap on Video Missing. After that, select Other, which covers cases that don't match the listed problems. Now tap on Need More Help. This will open a text box where you can explain your issue. Type a clear message such as, I accidentally reposted a lot of videos, and I would like to delete them all at once. Please help me with this issue. Once you've written your message, tap on Send to submit your report. TikTok will review your request, and their support team will guide you with the next steps. Sometimes they may help remove all reposts in bulk, or provide instructions for managing them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.